Hello, Dr. Kemp here, Hammond Doc, in the Hammond organ room. And I've just connected the Leslie 122 amplifier, late model amplifier that I've been working on. Here it is, to the organ. And I got fire in the tubes. So let's go over here and play the organ and see if this amplifier plays. Not very much bass. Not very loud. Okay, let's see. I'm expecting more from the bass though. Make sure everything is hooked up. Let's turn it up. Maybe I'm not getting much because I ain't turned it up. Let's turn it up. See if I get more now. I bet you I'll get more now. There you go. Okay. Well, we're going to come back now. We're going to hook this up to a Leslie cabinet. I have a cabinet over here. Let me take that loose. And I'm going to bring this amplifier over. And connect it to my test cabinet over here and try it out. So until the next video, Dr. Kemp saying, please have a very peaceful evening. Goodbye.